Hi guys, in previous video we have discussed about assignment operators, not arithmetic operators, and we have seen some examples related to that arithmetic operators. In today's video, I am going to discuss about that comparison or relational operators and assignment operators. Right now, first I will discuss about assignment operators. See, if we want to perform some operations or if we want to store some value to some what we call variable, we are going to use this operator, assignment operators. That is, if I want to perform some addition of two numbers, see here I am going to take two two variables and I am going to store those two variables, and later I will perform addition of these two variables, right? Assignment operator, right? So if you want to give some values to some other variable, that is, here we have to follow some rule. That is, here in LHS side is equal to RHS, right? Here in LH side we have to give some variable name. Uh, Whatever the variable name it is, if I want to give some name, I will give some variable name like name, and if I want to give some value to this variable, that is, I want to give some value to this variable. Here in RH side, I have to give some value. So if you want to some assign some value to some variable, in LH side we have to mention that variable name, and in RH side we have to mention value, right? Or else if we perform like this, b is equal to some value, no, 7 is equal to some variable name, yeah. So we can't store. It's not. It is somehow different. See, if we want to store this n value to this 7, here we have 7 only some value. We can't store this n value to this 7, right? So we have to give operator name in LHS side and value to RHS side, right? And also we have some uh, shorthand operators. That is, if I want to perform some addition and I want to store that value to this a, right? Here I have given this, right? So it's going to perform like this. A is equal to a plus 4. Here it's going to perform like this. If I want to perform some a is equal to a minus b, a minus 4. So here we are going to give like this. A is equal a minus is equal to 4. So it's going to take a is equal to a minus 4. Like this, we have some shorthand operators, that is, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, floor division, or division or exponent or remainder. We can perform these shorthand operations by using these operate as arithmetic operators. Right? And I will show these assignment operators practically. That is, now I will create one file. See, I want to store some value. A is equal to 6. Print here. See, the value of 6 is stored in A, and when we print that A, we will get output 6, right? So now I will show that some shorthand operations like A minus is equal to 4, and I want to print. Now I am going to print A value. See, see, we got 2. That means here it's going to get a value like, it's going to take value like A is equal to A minus 4. So here A value what 6. A is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. We will get 2 as an output. Right? Well, about comparison operators. That is, here we are going to use less than, greater than, is equal to, not equal to, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. These are the operators we are using in comparison operators or relational operators. That is, here we are going to check some conditions, right? The output will be either of false or true. So if you want to check that is one value is greater than or equal to another value, it's going to check this value and we are going to get some output that is true or false. So I'm taking greater than as operator, that is 6 greater than or 6 greater than 7. So here we will get false as an output because it's not greater than, right? It's less than 7. If you take here less than, we will get true, right? True as an output. Or if we have some value like A is equal to 6. Now I want to check the value of A. That is print of A is equal to 6. See, here here the value of A is 6 and I'm checking the same, right? So we will get true as an output. So in this way we are going to use these comparison operators. We mostly use these comparison operators in conditional statements, that is if condition, if else condition. I will explain more about these comparison operators in those conditional statements. Now I will show some examples related to these comparison operators. I will take one more file, that is comparison software. Right? Now I will take some value to this A, that is A. Print of A greater than 4. See, true. Because here A value is 5, right? So 5 is greater than 4. It is true, right? I will take less than. I will get false as an output. if I took A less than or equal to 5. See, we got output as true. See, when we take this less than or equal to, it includes this value also. So it will check the values are related to less than 5. That is, it also includes 5 value also. So it will check whether we have 5 also, 5 in this variable or not. Right? And also print of A not equal to 2. So here we will get true because A is not equal to 2, right? Here the value is 5. So it will give true only. These are the comparison or relational operators, assignment operators. I will discuss some more operators in next video. Thank you.